out here. Let's support her.
The lights are shining. Just fuck it. Maybe
Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another episode of Andreas Does Art. What do I got for you today? Well, as per usual, I got something super special. This video is another month in the life of Andreas, that's me, and all the art shenanigans I go on. And this month in particular is the craziest month I've had as an artist thus far. Let's just get into it. Enough of this blabbing around. So to start things off, my girlfriend Rain and I hosted our very first pop-up shop at her family's restaurant, California Carnitas. So I'm gonna just get all my stuff ready, make sure we're all prepared for that. We're gonna need this for sure. We're gonna need this. We almost got everything packed for the art show. Just gonna snag a few paintings straight from the wall. We'll take this guy and we'll do this guy.
What do you have to say, Tony?
I don't think this strand that I'm smoking is indica. We are liking it down here. You need to come out here. Everybody needs to come out here. Please come out here. Support her.
the lights are shining.
Let's start off using my knees and stuff to get this image. I was using my knees and toes, and then I saw an image on it. Like I got the canvas, I went like this, just did this, like moved it around on my knees, and then I just started doing this with my toes, and I even let my rats like walk across.
Send Tony money.
Send Tony money, buy more of the smoking dudes, and I might make shirts. I'll make shirts. Soon I'll make shirts. Quit blowing up my fucking DMs asking me to make shirts. I will make shirts. Let me figure it out.
We invited a few of our artist friends. We did some live painting, and it was a good time for sure. People came by, art was sold, had some laughs. Definitely a success. Speaking of art shows, we got another show lined up. My friend Natalie and her girlfriend Kate are hosting an underground warehouse rave, and we're gonna do some live painting there. So we picked up a bunch of neon paint. I got my black lights, of course, and
We got some black lights, we got some neon paint, and we got some stickers. Let's go! All right, so we're about to do our painting on this giant piece of drywall. First, I'm gonna paint it white and then cut it to size so it fits in my car, because right now it does not fit. All right, we got the drywall white. The white is just about dry. Not really, but we got no time to waste, so time to cut it to size, shove it in the car, and head to the show. Nice. Hell yeah, it's time to add some color to this. Let's pack up, head to the show, and let's do some art.
No, that's tiny.
It is?
Compared to her face?
Just fuck it. Make his dick this big.
No, Reina.
Okay, we're gonna work.
shout out Colorado Group Therapy. Shout out Gateway. Shout out.
This is actually the first collaborative piece Raina and I have planned out what we're going to make, as opposed to just going crazy with it. So it was cool. It was a way different process and turned out very different from our usual pieces. It's super fun being around people and painting and feeding off of the energy of everyone around you and the music too. It changes your mood, which changes your art, which changes everything. Colorado Group Therapy, hell yeah, good time. I'm hyped for some more underground warehouse events. Let's go, let's rage, let's party on. And now we are coming to the end of October, and I have one final project. My Uncle Reiner and some people he works with have been making their own wine. And they've done everything from picking the grapes, squishing the grapes. I don't know what else you do with grapes, but eventually they turn into wine. And the last thing they had to do was actually bottle the wine. They needed a label for it, so he asked me to do a painting for it. So of course I had to do the painting based off his famous gnome. And let me tell you, this gnome has been on the road. He has been to Alaska. He's been scuba diving with sharks. This gnome has been everywhere. And the vineyard that they were doing this all through is called Dofo. And they own this crazy collection of old school motorcycles. And so that's the idea for the painting. It was simple. I was just going to have the gnome riding the motorcycle. I got the painting done, sent it off, and they actually flew me out to San Diego to be a part of the bottling ceremony.
So I'm just packing my bags, getting ready to drive off to the airport and head out.
Got some cool things. I'm taking my film camera, my Nikon N2020, trying to get some cool shots. So as long as that all pans out,
I'll show you some of those in the video.
I'll catch you guys at the airport.
Oh my God, you're prepared.
But I'm healthy because
What you got?
this is for Andreas.
Look at that.
Andreas wanted all of these.
I mean,
And
yeah.
I was like, you can have these. I'm gonna eat them.
We're in San Diego. What's up?
Oh, look at this. It has 2 shots of alcohol.
America's most haunted house.
We're at the Whaley house.
Literally smells haunted, dude.
Those are those original mirrors. Sid, I'd like to buy some.
Extracted honey. We can also offer you to talk. You can see up her skirt.
Babe!
Wonder what's up there.
Nothing? He's being nasty looking up her skirt. Check it. Oh!
Oh, yeah. In your pocket.
Look how cute he is. He's so cute.
They just sunbathe him. Right now we're in the Dofo winery. The grapes are getting their symphony. You match the vineyard. Oh! They blasted for
It was crazy seeing my art on a bottle of wine at the end of it all. And yeah, just getting to be a part of this whole thing was amazing. I'm unbelievably stoked. Like I said, it's been a crazy month, and that's why I had to put this video together about it all. I appreciate you for checking it out. Yeah. Till next time, we out.